BooHoo is a popular British fashion retailer founded in 2006, offering affordable and trendy clothing, shoes, and accessories for men, women, and kids. While BooHoo itself is not a platform for making money online, there are several ways you can make money online in 2024 related to BooHoo or fashion in general. Here's an ultimate guide for beginners. Affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate for BooHoo or other fashion retailers. Promote their products on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Dropshipping. Start a dropshipping business where you sell BooHoo products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order on your website, you forward it to BooHoo, and they ship the products directly to your customers. Blogging. Create a fashion blog and write about BooHoo's latest trends, styles, and deals. Monetize your blog through display ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Social media influencer. Build a strong social media presence, showcasing BooHoo's clothing and accessories. Collaborate with the brand for sponsored posts and earn money through paid partnerships. YouTube. Start a fashion-focused YouTube channel, reviewing and showcasing BooHoo's products. You can monetize your channel through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Freelance writing. Offer your writing services to fashion blogs, magazines, or websites that cover BooHoo or similar fashion retailers. Graphic design. Create eye-catching graphics, banners, or social media content for BooHoo or other fashion brands. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or offer your services as a freelance graphic designer. Photography. Offer your photography services to BooHoo or other fashion brands for product shoots, lookbooks, or social media content. Social media management. Manage the social media accounts of fashion brands like BooHoo, creating engaging content and growing their online presence. Online tutoring or coaching. Share your knowledge about fashion, marketing, or entrepreneurship by offering online courses, tutorials, or coaching sessions. You can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to create and sell your content. Remember to always respect intellectual property rights and obtain necessary permissions when working with brands like BooHoo.